it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to show you these amazing cubes from YESIE. So these are an LED light up cube. They are fantastic. They're incredibly durable, and as you can see, you can have all kinds of color changing lights. I believe there's 16 different light options. You have a remote to change them. You can have it stuck on one color. You can have it changing colors. You can have it fast, slow, so many options. So I love how versatile these are. So if you're having an outdoor party, this is what you need. This will set the mood. This will get the party going. The different colored lights are awesome. If you have a theme, certain color you want them to stay on, you can choose that. They have a weight rating of 300 pounds, so they're nice and solid. You don't feel like you're gonna break these. You can sit on these, you can stack them. Kids can use these and you don't have to worry about them breaking. They're very easy to wash. In fact, they are waterproof. So if you have an outdoor event and there's a little drizzle, you'll be okay. Or maybe it's poolside, you can use that for that. Put drinks on it. If you have a spill, you can clean it right up. Not only are these great for events, but even just to have in a kid's room, a teenager's room. My kids are both teens and they love these, especially if you have multiple. You can use them for seating. You can stack them all in a corner and light them up when you want to. You can use this as an end table, a coffee table. The options are endless, but it's just a really fun way to add some pizzazz to your event or to your space. Every time we have friends over and we pull these out, everyone's excited. It's definitely a conversation starter. So if you're looking to add some fun and flair to your space, I absolutely recommend these. They're nicely made, they're easy to charge up, they last for 10 to 12 hours, so a whole evening of fun, and they provide that extra seating if you need it. So an awesome option, get more than one, and that's my point of view.